Hey YouTube, and thank you for watching Junkworks DIY Garage. Well, if you didn't know by the title, and you can't tell by what I'm sitting on right now, I was able to get a lift from my garage thanks to YouTube. So thank you, YouTube. Well, in the past and the present, I've been told I talk way too much in a lot of my videos. So in hindsight is 2020 sort of way, I have decided to go back and start revamping some of my older videos. A couple reasons. YouTube is really not paying well right now, and so that'll kind of give me some content that I can put up instead of putting new videos up 3 times a week, because I just can't keep up that kind of content and do the kind of videos I want to do. So if you're watching this video, it is the shortest possible version I can make. Probably doesn't have near enough information in it for most of you out there, but yet again, like I said, I always end up with a million questions, yet I'm told I talk too much. But beyond that point, these videos are going to be as short as I can possibly make them. If you have any questions whatsoever, please go watch the long version, the longest version of these videos. Some of these are going to have short versions, or long versions, short versions, and now even shorter versions. So, but if you need more information, go find the other video on that. If this says shorter version or condensed version or something like that, go find the long version if you have some questions. Alright, without further ado, let's get to it. Thanks for watching Junkworks DIY Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.